Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to do a natural DIY leave-in conditioning spray to boost your hair growth, treat all the scalp infections, give you that hair shine, and also to add to your hair elasticity. And in this DIY I'll be using basically two amazing natural products, which are the fenugreek seeds and also the cumin seeds. Fenugreek seeds, as we all know, boost hair growth, it treats all the scalp infections, it strengthens your hair follicles and gives you that hair shine. And also for cumin seeds is an amazing Ayurveda natural herbs that boost your hair growth. It also strengthens your hair follicles and gives you that hair shine, and also treats hair thinning. So to begin this DIY, you need to heat up your pan on the stove for about few seconds and put in your fenugreek seeds and also your cumin seeds. Once you put these two together, you just have to go ahead and mix that up. Try to set it up so it shouldn't get burned. Your stove should be on low flame so you don't want your seeds to get burned. After about 1 to 2 minutes that your seeds are heated up, you need to look for a mason jar or a bowl which you have to pour in the seeds, and you continue the whole process. Heating up the seeds is just to enhance the seeds to release its nutrients properly when you pour in your water. So once your seeds are now in your mason jar, you just go ahead and pour in some warm water. It shouldn't be cold water or boiled water. It should just be warm water. This facilitates the whole process to release the seeds to release its nutrients well. So once you're done adding the water, just quickly stir that up, give it a good mix, then you cover your mason jar and keep it in a cool dark area for about 24 hours, 6 to 8 hours, or the whole night. So just keep it in the dark corner for 24 hours and you use it the following day. So this is our amazing super hair growth leave-in spray. So I kept mine for 24 hours and this is how it looks like. As you can see, it has that dark brown color and that's what we're looking for. And as you can see, the seeds are kind of swollen up to show that the nutrients are out from the seed. Yeah, so let's get right into the application method. This treatment, really, you can use it twice a week or once every week. You can use it either as a pre-poo treatment or as a leave-in conditioning spray. So once you're done with that, you just go ahead now and strain out the juice. I'm using a strainer. You can use a cheesecloth or whatever means you have to strain out the seed. And please do not throw away the seed. In my next coming video, I will show you all how to use the seed and do an amazing deep conditioning cream that will boost your hair growth like real fast. So do not throw away the seed, but in my next video, just stay tuned. I will show you all how to use this seed in order to do the deep conditioning cream. This is one of my favorite. I go about with every natural products because they're not harmful to my hair. So once you're done straining out the juice, this is how it looks like. You just go ahead and transfer that into your spray bottle. So right now I'm just pouring that in my spray bottle for application. In order to apply this leave-in spray, you need to put your hair in smaller sections. Yeah, as I'm doing right now. So once you spray in a little amount to your hair, you just give your hair that good massage, spray it to your scalp and give it a good massage. And next, what I'm doing now is applying my Nature's Splendid hair growth serum. If you want to know how I do this, I have a video. I will link that up in the description box. And now I'm just sealing in moisture with my super hair growth moisturizer. I also have a video on that, and I will link that up in the description box, so do well to check that video out to know how I came up with this super hair growth leave-in moisturizing cream. It's so amazing, guys. You don't want to hesitate to try it out. This moisturizing cream has done a whole lot to my hair, and I really do appreciate it. I so much love it, and I always use it as a sealant to my hair. So do well to check that video out and do your own hair growth moisturizing cream. So once you apply on one section, you just go ahead and twist, or you braid, or you do your cornrows, or you do the African threading, but it should be kept in a protective style. This leave-in spray is just the deal. Trust me, trust my words, it's just the deal. This is what I've been using. I've been seeing great results on my hair, so I will not stop using this anytime soon. I'll keep using it so I get to convince you guys on the greatness this product has. Anything natural is just the best. I do this treatment like twice a week. If I'm not gonna wash my hair for the week, I'll do it twice a week, and sometimes I do it as a pre-pull prior to when I need to shampoo my hair for my wash day. So always do this, and trust me, be consistent, and you will see a great result. So this is how my hair looks like after I'm done moisturizing it, and it feels super soft. I love it, and I love everything about it. My hair really shrinks a lot. When water touches my hair, it really do shrinks, but that's okay. It shows my hair is healthy. Tell me how you feel about this video. Comment down below, and please share your thoughts. Thank you all for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. See you all again in my next one.